When discussing the greatest inventors, Nikola Tesla is sometimes overlooked in history lessons at school. We hear names like Thomas Edison, Alexander Graham Bell, and Leonardo da Vinci. However, Tesla's story isn't mentioned often enough, though his influence is undeniable. Many of the technologies woven into our daily lives can be attributed to this genius's mind. By the end of his life, Tesla held approximately 300 patents. Nonetheless, he struggled to translate his many inventions into financial success, unlike his longtime rival, Thomas Edison. Let's take a look at Tesla's life, ideas, and inventions. The inventor, electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, and futurist was born in 1856 in Smiljan, in present-day Croatia, then part of the Austrian Empire. He demonstrated a fondness for engineering at a young age, eventually studying math and physics at the Technical University of Graz and philosophy at the University of Prague. His genius enabled him to envision his ideas in such detail that he rarely needed to sketch them out. Tesla would subsequently get a job in Thomas Edison's Continental Edison Company, only to later become a bitter rival to the inventor. One of Tesla's first obsessions was the alternating current. During the War of the Currents, Thomas Edison was trying to push the world towards the use of direct current, where the electric charge only flows in one direction as the standard. However, DC is not easily converted to higher or lower voltages. Tesla believed that alternating current, which reverses direction a number of times per second, was the solution to this problem. Tesla held a patent on an AC induction motor, while Edison held several patents on DC technology. So who won the War of the Currents? Tesla. Alternating current power uses thinner wires and is able to transmit more power over greater distances compared to direct current. Today, AC is used for most of the world's electrical power, including our homes, refrigerators, and power tools. In contrast, DC is used to power smaller items like flashlights, industrial machines, and conveyors. Tesla's world-changing ideas did not stop there. The inventor also developed an induction motor that ran on AC power. Tesla's invention took the efficiency of energy generation to an entirely new level, and the induction motor became the most efficient way to convert electricity to mechanical power. You can find an induction motor in many of the household items that you use today. A version of the AC induction motor is even used by the car company Tesla, which was named after the inventor to honor him. You can also thank Tesla for remote control technology. In the late 1890s, a patent for a remote-controlled boat was awarded to the engineer. Tesla controlled the boat using radio signals that powered the rudders and propellers. Spectators were blown away by the demonstration, some going as far as to believe that Tesla was controlling the boat using magic. Ultimately, Tesla believed that his device would end warfare by allowing battles to be fought without putting humans at risk. Unfortunately, it would take years for the technology to be used in a meaningful way. One of Tesla's most famous creations is the Tesla coil. This is a transformer used to produce a high-frequency voltage. The effects of the device almost resemble magic, since fluorescent bulbs several feet away can be lit up with no electrical wire connection. While the Tesla coil doesn't have much practical application anymore, this invention revolutionized the way electricity was understood. Though Guglielmo Marconi was credited for initially inventing the radio, it was later revealed that Tesla had come up with the idea first. Through experimentation, Tesla discovered he could use his coils to transmit and receive powerful radio signals. By 1895, Tesla was preparing to transmit his first radio signal. However, a fire destroyed his lab before he could do the demonstration. Though Tesla filed patents for the radio first, Marconi was inevitably awarded the patents after demonstrating his ability to transmit radio signals across the English Channel. Throughout his lifetime, Tesla explored wireless communication and wireless energy, pioneered some of the leading concepts behind X-ray technology, designed machines that could create artificial tidal waves and earthquakes, and proposed the idea of a supersonic airship powered entirely by wireless electrical transmission. The engineer was infinitely curious, and his ambitions were fueled by his relentless pursuit of science for the betterment of humanity.